This saw I picked up on Craigslist for about 40 bucks. It didn't run very well when I got it, and it would die while I was running it like that. 350 is notorious for air leak on the intake. It's the design of that plastic clip. 350s, 346, 353, 359, 357. So I figured this thing has a problem with the plastic clip. Easy fix. So I got it on the bench. I'd ordered the metal retaining clip. So here's the plastic clip. It has a propensity to get warm and come unhooked. Probably expands a little bit also, and that's an air leak. Happens all the time on these saws, so there is a fix. So here's a better look at it on the bench. You can see the clip tied to the boot. Pulling the saw apart. Just pulled the carbon, laid it off to the side with the kill switch, hang on to it. One of the things I found when I was pulling it apart immediately is the cylinder bolts were just barely tight. They were loose. Here, I'll show you two of them, but all four of them were pretty loose. So, ready to pull the cylinder. Once I did, piston didn't look that bad. It's one of these dished pistons. No need to pull it out or replace it. What I did notice, though, is that the base gasket, half of it was gone. So that also would be a leak. So here we are showing you the metal band. Sorry, that was quick. I had to replace the gasket with some Yama ball. It was running about an hour's worth of work to get to this stage. The chain got tight on me and it wasn't rolling very well. I'll deal with that. But it runs pretty well once you get rid of the air leaks. Thanks for watching.